Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw human alimentary canal, which is going to be very easy for us to draw, but we think it's difficult. To draw this, I am drawing a long straight line. It depends upon the size of the figure you're going to draw, and I am dividing this line into 4 parts, which consists of first part is head, and third part is for esophagus, and third part is for stomach and liver, and fourth part is for small intestine and large intestine. So I am starting with the head, which consists of mouth and tongue. So it's very easy, guys. So if you have this dividing which I did, it's going to be really easy than usual. So if you see in the video, I have drawn 2 more lines parallel to the straight line which I drew first. To measure the length of the diagram, parallel to that I am drawing 2 lines, and using that in breadth or width your diagram's head, and if the esophagus is in the middle, it's going to come in the middle. Like that you can measure and divide it geometrically and draw. It will be very useful for us. So after drawing a little bit in the diagram, I am going to erase the lines thoroughly and redraw the diagram which I did. Now I finished with the stomach, esophagus, mouth, and large intestine and small intestine. Now I am drawing liver and the gallbladder. Above that we have diaphragm. Then I am giving the small details in the small intestine, like extra small intestine tubes. Then I am giving the outline for the diagram. And as you saw in the video, it's really easy than we thought, and if we see the diagram we feel it's complicated, but it's really easy. Then finally we name the parts in the diagram. So I hope you all like this video. If so, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.